Linezolid is a class of antibiotics used to treat gram-positive bacterial infections. It can be taken orally or given intravenously, and works by targeting the bacterial 50S ribosomal subunit, ultimately inhibiting bacterial protein synthesis and growth. It belongs to a class of antibiotics called oxazolidinones. No dose adjustment is needed in case of renal impairment. Talking about clinical indications. Linezolid is used for treatment of infections caused by Streptococci, Staphylococci, including MRSA, Enterococci, including VRE, Mycobacteria and Anaerobic bacteria. Side effects of linezolid include neurological symptoms like headache, dizziness, and optic neuritis, gastrointestinal disturbances like nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea, as well as more severe effects like myelosuppression, lactic acidosis, serotonin syndrome, hypoglycemia, and hypertensive crisis. Oxazolidinones are contraindicated in clients with uncontrolled hypertension, as well as in those who are currently taking monoamine oxidase inhibitors, serotonergic agents, or other medications that can raise blood pressure. Linezolid is also contraindicated in seizures, gastrointestinal or renal disease, pregnancy and breastfeeding. As far as drug interactions are concerned, linezolid is a reversible monoamine oxidase inhibitors. Avoid tyramine-containing foods, sympathomimetic medications and serotonergic drugs. Linezolid can exacerbate hypoglycemic episodes. Use caution in patients receiving insulin or oral hypoglycemic drugs, like sulfonylureas. So, that's all about pharmacology of linezolid. Hope you like this video. For more antibiotics clinical pearls, keep sharing and keep supporting us. Thank you.